Welcome everyone to this discussion on why starting an online business might be the best decision you ever make. In recent years, the internet has revolutionized the way we live and work, and starting an online business has become a popular option for many entrepreneurs. With the global pandemic causing widespread disruption and forcing many traditional businesses to close, the importance of online businesses has become even more apparent. But why exactly should you consider starting an online business? In this discussion, we'll explore the various advantages of starting an online business and how it can help you achieve your personal and financial goals. We'll examine the lower startup costs, the flexibility it provides, the global reach and scalability, and the lower overheads compared to traditional businesses. We'll also take a look at the different types of online businesses you can start, from e-commerce and affiliate marketing to freelance work and online courses. Whether you're a recent graduate looking to start your own business, an experienced entrepreneur seeking a new venture, or just someone looking to earn some extra income, starting an online business might be the right move for you. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a better understanding of the benefits of starting an online business and the steps you can take to get started. So let's dive in and explore the world of online entrepreneurship. Reason 1. Lower startup costs. Starting a business is often a daunting task, especially when it comes to financing. Traditional brick-and-mortar businesses come with a plethora of costs that can quickly add up, making it difficult for aspiring entrepreneurs to get started. However, with the rise of the internet, online businesses have become a viable alternative for those looking to start their own business. One of the most significant advantages of starting an online business is the lower startup costs. Unlike traditional businesses, online businesses do not require a physical store or office, which eliminates the need to pay rent or utilities. This can result in significant savings, particularly in areas where commercial real estate is expensive. Additionally, online businesses do not require a large number of staff, which further reduces costs. In fact, many online businesses can be run by a single individual, making it an ideal option for solopreneurs. Another factor that contributes to the lower startup costs of online businesses is the ease of creating a website. With the plethora of website builders and templates available today, anyone can create a professional-looking website without the need for expensive web design services. This means that entrepreneurs can focus on creating their product or service rather than worrying about the technical aspects of running a website. Furthermore, the cost of marketing and advertising an online business is often lower than that of a traditional business. Social media platforms, email marketing, and search engine optimization, or SEO, are all effective and cost-efficient ways of reaching a wider audience. Reason 2. Flexibility. Flexibility is one of the most significant benefits of starting an online business. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar businesses that require you to be physically present during specific hours, online businesses can be run from anywhere in the world at any time. This level of flexibility allows entrepreneurs to work around their other commitments, such as parenting or studying. With an online business, you have the freedom to set your own schedule and work at your own pace, which can be a game changer for those who need to balance multiple responsibilities. Moreover, the flexibility offered by online businesses can also be beneficial for those who prefer to work remotely. With remote work becoming increasingly popular, many employees are looking for flexible work arrangements that allow them to work from home or any other location they choose. Starting an online business allows you to work remotely and enjoy the benefits of being your own boss. In addition, online businesses offer the flexibility to scale and grow at your own pace. Unlike traditional businesses that require significant upfront investment and resources, online businesses can be started small and grow gradually over time. This means that you can test different strategies and approaches without the fear of losing a large amount of money. Once you find a winning formula, you can scale up your business to reach more customers and increase revenue. Reason 3. Greater reach. Another compelling reason to start an online business is the ability to reach a global audience. Unlike traditional businesses that are limited by location and geography, online businesses can be accessed from anywhere in the world. This means that entrepreneurs can potentially reach millions of customers regardless of where they're located. One of the most significant advantages of having a global reach is the opportunity to tap into new markets. Online businesses can reach customers in countries that may not have been accessible to traditional businesses due to various barriers such as language or cultural differences. This can result in increased revenue streams and business growth, allowing entrepreneurs to expand their reach beyond their local market. Moreover, having a global reach also means that online businesses can operate 24/7, catering to customers in different time zones. This is a significant advantage for businesses that offer products or services that require immediate attention, such as customer support or technical assistance. Customers can access your website and make purchases at any time of day, regardless of their location. In addition, online businesses have access to a wide range of digital marketing tools that can help them reach a global audience. Social media platforms, email marketing, and search engine optimization, or SEO, are all effective ways of reaching customers all over the world. These tools can help online businesses target specific demographics such as age, gender, and interests, which can result in increased conversion rates and higher customer retention. Reason 4. Scalability. Scalability is one of the most significant advantages of starting an online business. Online businesses are designed to be highly scalable, allowing entrepreneurs to grow their business quickly and efficiently. Unlike traditional businesses that require significant upfront investment and resources to expand, online businesses can scale up or down easily depending on market demand. One of the primary benefits of scalability is that it allows entrepreneurs to expand their customer base without significant additional costs. With an online business, entrepreneurs can easily reach customers from all over the world, increasing their potential customer base significantly. This can result in increased revenue streams, allowing businesses to invest in further growth and expansion. Moreover, scalability also allows businesses to diversify their offerings without significant additional costs. With an online business, entrepreneurs can add new products or services to their offerings, allowing them to cater to the changing needs of their customers. This can help businesses stay relevant and competitive in a rapidly changing market. Another advantage of scalability is that it allows businesses to operate more efficiently. With an online business, entrepreneurs can automate various processes such as customer service and order processing, reducing the need for manual labor. This can result in significant cost savings, allowing businesses to invest in further growth and expansion. Reason 5. Lower overheads. Starting an online business can significantly lower overheads and increase profit margins. One of the primary reasons for this is that online businesses do not require the same level of investment as traditional brick-and-mortar businesses. With an online business, entrepreneurs do not need to worry about the costs associated with renting or purchasing physical stores, paying for utilities, or hiring a large number of staff. This significantly reduces the overhead costs and frees up resources that can be used for other business purposes. Moreover, online businesses are often more efficient as many processes can be automated, reducing the need for manual labor. This means that entrepreneurs can keep their costs low while still providing high-quality products or services to their customers. By utilizing automation and technology, businesses can streamline their processes, increase productivity, and reduce costs, resulting in higher profit margins. Another advantage of lower overheads is that it allows entrepreneurs to offer competitive pricing to their customers. This can lead to increased sales and revenue, which can help businesses grow and expand. In conclusion, starting an online business offers several advantages, including lower startup costs, flexibility, greater reach, scalability, and lower overheads. With the ability to reach a global audience, automate processes, and keep costs low, online businesses offer entrepreneurs the opportunity to create successful businesses with significant potential for growth. If you're considering starting an online business, now is the time to take action. With the right idea, a little bit of investment, and the right marketing strategy, you can launch your online business and start making sales in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on starting and running an online business. We wish you the best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey.